Chitra, your pastry course in Paris looked amazing. That kitchen setup was straight out of MasterChef.
Thanks, Hetvi. It really felt special being there.
But tell me, how did you fund it? A course like that must have been expensive.
It was, but I had planned for it. A few years ago, I started investing in a multi-cap fund.
Multi-cap fund? What's that?
It's an equity mutual fund that invests minimum 25% each across large cap, mid cap, and small cap companies. So, instead of focusing on one market cap, it allocates investments across different segments of the market.
That sounds like a thoughtful approach. I think I should start planning for my goals too.
Definitely. Just make sure to check if it fits your financial goals before investing. On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.